In this video, I'm going to walk you through ActiveCampaign, one of the most powerful all-in-one tools for email marketing, marketing automation, CRM, and customer experience optimization. But here's the thing. Most people barely scratch the surface of what this platform can do. I'm going to show you the parts that most beginners miss, and they make all the difference. If you're just getting started, or maybe you've signed up but you're feeling overwhelmed by the dashboard, don't worry. I'll break it down for you step by step. We'll focus on the tabs on the left side of your screen: the search, contacts, email, automations, deals, website, and reports tabs. And stick around because there's one tab near the end that could save you hours every week, but hardly anyone talks about. Stick with me till the end because I'll also share some bonus tips to help you avoid common mistakes and get the most out of ActiveCampaign, including a tip that helped me double my email engagement in just 1 week. Let's just start with the search tab on the top left. This feature might seem boring at first glance, but what if I told you it could actually make you twice as productive inside ActiveCampaign? Once your account grows, you'll have thousands of contacts, dozens of email campaigns, and maybe even multiple automations running. The search bar helps you instantly find what you need. No more clicking through menus or forgetting where something is. Let's say that you want to find a contact named John Reyes. So let's just type in John or Reyes, and it instantly pulls him up. But here's the cool part. You can also search by tags, campaign names, even automation titles. You'd be surprised how much time that saves. Search history. This feature quietly remembers your recent searches, a tiny detail that makes a massive difference once you're juggling multiple projects. You'll see why this is one of my favorite hidden gems by the time we hit automation later. Now let's move on to the Contacts tab. And trust me, this is where the magic begins. This tab isn't just a list of emails, it's where ActiveCampaign becomes your custom CRM powerhouse. And in just a bit, I'll show you how to segment people based on behavior, like knowing who downloaded your lead magnet but didn't open the follow up email. That's where things get exciting. Every time someone signs up through your form, grabs a freebie, or gets added from a tool like Zapier, they land right here. So click on any name and you'll see a full customer history, what emails they opened, and what they've clicked, even what city they're from. And also, here's a quick question for you. Do you know how many tags you're using right now? And are they working for you or just making things messy? I'll show you how to fix that in a minute. With tags and custom fields, you can build an insanely personalized experience. It's like talking to thousands of people one on one without lifting a finger. And yes, if you're running a course, newsletter, or even an online store, you'll be living in this tab more than you think. All right, now we're getting into the email tab, where the real conversation with your audience begins. This is where you create campaigns, your actual emails. But here's the fun part. In just a few seconds, I'm going to show you how to personalize your emails so they feel like they were written just for one person. The click through rate boost, let's just say it's real. You can build one time emails, automated sequences, A B tests, and RSS based emails that trigger when you publish new content. The drag and drop email builder makes things easy. But don't be fooled by this simplicity. What you do with this builder can completely change your audience response. Also, you want to increase open rates? Stick around because I'll show you a subject line trick that increased mine by 40%. You can preview how your email looks on mobile and desktop, and even run a spam check to avoid landing in the dreaded junk folder. What if ActiveCampaign could choose the best time to send your email for each person on your list? Well, it actually can, and it actually does. I'll show you how in the bonus tips. Now, this is where things get exciting: the automations tab. And just a heads up, I've got a shortcut later that can help you build a full automation in under 3 minutes. Automations let you create powerful sequences that run in the background. So imagine someone signs up for your lead magnet, and boom, they get a welcome series, a product offer, a follow up reminder, all without you lifting a finger. But here's what most people don't realize: you can create conditional branches, meaning your automation actually adapts to how your subscriber behaves. Opens an email, they go one way. doesn't open it, they go another. You can also trigger lead scoring, tagging, SMS messages, and assign deals all in one flow. And if you're thinking, I don't know where to start, don't worry. There are pre made recipes for welcome series, abandoned carts, and even re engagement campaigns. Oh, and that 3 minute shortcut I mentioned, it's one of those templates. Tweak a few parts, hit activate, and you're live. And now let's head into the deals tab where your sales pipelines comes to life. If you've never used a CRM pipeline before, you're about to have a light bulb moment because this visual layout makes tracking sales follow-ups and proposals feels almost too easy. You can drag deals from one stage to another, new lead to discovery call to proposal sent and so on. And here's a pro tip. Later in this video, I'll show you how to automate deal creation without ever clicking new deal again. Each deal is tied to a contact so you can see all the emails, notes, and tasks related to the opportunity in one place. This isn't just for big sales team either. Even solopreneurs use it for coaching clients, sponsorship, and onboarding new customers. So imagine opening ActiveCampaign and instantly knowing which leads need your attention today. That's the power of the Deals tab. And we're just getting started. Ever wish you could see exactly what someone does on your website in real time? That's what the website tab does, and it's wildly underused. It starts with a simple tracking code, just like Facebook Pixel, but here's where it gets better. Once someone is identified, you can see every page that they visit, how long they stayed, and what they clicked. This means you'll know exactly who visited your pricing page and never bought. And guess what? You can trigger an email just for them. In a moment, I'll share a clever way to use this for abandoned checkout follow ups, and it works even if they didn't add anything to the cart. Behavioral targeting isn't just for giant corporations. With ActiveCampaign, it's just a few clicks away, and the results are shocking when used correctly. So we're almost at the end. But don't sleep on the reports tab because this is where the truth comes out. So if you want to know which email brought in the most clicks last month, which automation has the biggest drop off, or which list has the most unsubscribes, this tab shows you all of that and more. But here's something to think about. Are you tracking vanity metrics or actionable insights? I'll show you how to spot the difference. You'll also see automation reports, deal performance, and even contact growth. And the best part, you can export everything for clients, reports, or team updates. And right after this, I'm going to show you how to use all these data to improve your next campaign before you even send it. All right, let's wrap this up with a few bonus tips that can make a huge difference. So here's one. Combine tags plus custom fields to build hyper targeted email segments. It sounds basic, but when done right, it's like unlocking cheat codes for your campaigns. Next is start small with automations. Don't build a 20-step monster right away. Begin with 3 to 4 steps and add more as you go. Third, clean your list every month. Inactive subscribers hurt your open rate and deliverability. And don't forget A/B testing. Sometimes changing just one word in the subject line can double your open rate. And also, here's a last tip. Try out the goals feature. You can track your key actions like purchases or bookings and trigger follow ups automatically when goals are met or even not met. ActiveCampaign isn't just an email tool, it's your marketing brain. Once you get the hang of it, you'll wonder how you ever did business without it. And if you're ready to get started with ActiveCampaign, here's a breakdown of their plans. So we have here the starter plan. It starts at $15 per month. This is perfect if you're just getting started with personalized marketing campaigns. Next is Plus. It starts at $49 per month. You can go further with automation and powerful customer insights. Next is the Pro plan. It starts at $79 per month. You can unlock full omni-channel marketing automation, which is their most popular plan. And finally, we got the Enterprise. It starts at $145 per month. It's good for businesses needing enterprise level support to run large scale campaigns. So if this video helps you out, give it a like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe because I've got more automation hacks and advanced tutorials coming soon. See you on the next video.